Hello Asha, how are
Hi.
you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good.
Okay, we're going to interview so everyone can know you better. So we'll start with the first question. Where are you from and how old are you?
I'm from London and I'm 24 years old.
For how long have you been here?
I've been living in Spain now for almost 2 months. I came at the end of December.
Why did you come to Spain?
I came to Spain to experience a new culture, to develop my career. Also because the weather's great, the food's great, and it's a beautiful place to live.
Thank you. What have you studied?
What have I studied? So at university I studied human geography. So I did that for 3 years. And then I did my CELTA, my English teaching qualification with International House in Montevideo, Ecuador.
Is being an English assistant related to what you studied?
Yes, because I studied to be an English language teacher. So it relates directly to that.
And do you like being an English assistant?
Yes, I love it. I love meeting all the students and forming great relationships with each other. Yes, it's great. It's a lot of fun. It's nice to be in a school environment again.
Do you think this is good for Catalan students?
Yes, definitely. I think it's really important for students to be exposed to a native speaker because it really helps develop listening skills. I try and speak as naturally as possible. I speak quite quickly, and I think it's quite good for students to get used to a British accent and someone speaking naturally, and obviously the pronunciation.
Okay, and now we're going to leave the English assistant apart. So we're going to talk about something else.
Yes.
And what do you like the most from Spain or Catalonia?
What do I like the most? I really like the people. I think it's a very different culture to England. It's very laid back and people are very friendly and accommodating. Yes, it's very nice.
Thanks.
For how long do you plan to stay here?
I plan on staying in Spain probably for another year or 2.
Okay, that's good. So we have finished. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.